Definitely one of the most memorable stories of the day.
Yeah.
Timing is everything. John and Erin Koloski knew it would be close.
Okay, their baby was due yesterday, but their little girl wasn't quite ready. But today, I'm coming out, and our Don Harrison was right there.
Like many of us, John Koloski was digging out this morning, but like none of us, he had this reason to get his car free.
Well, my wife could possibly be delivering right now, so.
Trying to free yourself from this much snow is quite a daunting task for one man, but now there was 2, and then 5, and now a snowplow.
We had more hands on deck helping out than I thought would ever happen.
Oh, I'm coming.
Now that the car is clear, John can tend to his wife, Erin. The two of them are alternative health care practitioners. They plan to have the baby at home, but a big part of the plan was to be able to go to the hospital if there were complications.
Yeah, I mean, we were a little nervous this morning but thankfully we got great neighbors who helped dig our car out, and it's pretty crazy. But I think we got a full moon and low pressure, and I think a lot of babies are probably going to be born today.
The contractions got closer, but Erin was resolved to have this baby at home.
The best thing about a home birth is they let you eat.
So as Dad nervously paces, Mom and baby decide it's time. At 1:50 p.m. Saturday, all 7 pounds of Hannah Francis came into this world. Her older sister, Hadley, got to see her younger sister for the first time.
Happy birthday.
Both Grandma and Great-Grandma were on hand. 91-year-old Great-Grandma Betty Guthrie was glad to witness this snowy miracle.
Yes, that's why we're all here. Everybody's born.
Mom, Dad, and the baby are doing fine. It looked like Old Man Winter had to take a back seat to Mother Nature for a while as we welcome to the world baby Hannah, right in the middle of this blizzard. In Annapolis, Don Harrison, ABC 2 News.